So, all right. So next Halachah then. The greater sages of Israel included wood choppers, water drawers, and blind men. Despite these difficulties, they were occupied with Torah study day and night, and were included among those who transmit the Torah's teachings from master to student in a chain stretching back to Moshe, our teacher. So, of course, I don't know if you know that, but many people don't like these teachings of Rambam, right? And they go against it. Why? Because he said, okay, as we said before, Rabbi should not take the money for the study for the teaching of the Torah. Why? Because how does he know the Torah? From Moshe Rabbeinu. Moshe Rabbeinu got for free from HaShem. Right? He taught us for free. So why are you charging me money? Like, well, what are you doing, right? So and don't depend on charity. So Rambam said that, and he said, look, all of these people from greatest of the great people from Talmud, they all were workers. They're not like on sophisticated jobs, right? And not all of them were jewelers or like some other like high-paying jobs. No. So let's see from the beginning his commentaries. The greater sages of Israel included wood choppers. Commentary. Many included Rambam, including Rambam, commentary to the Mishnah Avos 4:7, cite the example of Hillel. So Hillel that we were speaking yesterday, the wood chopper. Right? However, as of yet, no explicit Talmud and Midrashic source has been found which said that Hillel was occupied at this profession. The Avos the Rabbi Nassan, chapter 6, states that Rabbi Akiva was so employed. I mean, about Rabbi Akiva, we know that he was taking care of the horses of Kalba Savua. But I'm not sure what he's trying to say, this Rabbi. I mean, it says that Hillel was a wood chopper, even if it says in Pirkei Avos. I mean, it's not a good source. I'm not sure. So continue. The greatest sages of Israel included wood choppers, water drawers. They say Ksubas 105a says Rav Huna, the greatest Rav Huna, earned his livelihood in this manner. So and it was not degrading, right? Honest living. And blind men. Rav Sheshes, no? 62. Rav Yosef and Rav Sheshes, two of more prominent Amoraim, were so afflicted. Pesachim 116b. So they were blind. Despite these difficulties, commentary. See the commentary to Halachah 7. Okay, continue. Despite these difficulties, they were occupied in Torah study day and night, and were included among those who transmitted the Torah teaching from master to the student in a chain stretched back to Moshe, our teacher. 64 commentary. In his introduction to Mishnah Torah, Rambam lists the chain of the teachers who transmitted Torah from generation to the generation. There he mentioned that Hillel received the tradition from Shmaya and Avtoleon and transmitted it to Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai. Rav Huna transmitted the tradition to Rabbi and Rav Yosef, who in turn transmitted to Abai and Rabbi. So it's very interesting. So despite all of this, that they have to work these manual jobs, they were still included in a number of the greatest sages. So the thing, the way I see it, like the water drawer, they would have to go to the river somewhere, because otherwise, if there is a well in a place where they live, there is no need to draw the water. They would go to the river or to a well that outside of the city and bring the water back in a big barrel. So it was a job that would take a long time, right? and would take a lot of like strength, right? Like, but the way I see that Hashem just bless they live in. That's it. Like, you don't have to be like, I don't know, like some real estate developer to have a good living. You can do like any simple job, and if Hashem blesses, so you're not going to have all of the other expenses that other people have, right?